How to download Instagram profile pictures in HD quality. High-resolution profile pictures are crucial for creating an attractive online presence. They convey professionalism and boost the visibility of your personal or corporate brand. Instagram is an immensely popular platform, but it restricts users from accessing or downloading enlarged versions of profile pictures. This is where the Insta DP Viewer comes in handy. Discover the Insta DP Viewer, a handy tool allowing you to download and view Instagram content in high definition. However, Instagram does not provide an option to view or expand profile pictures to their maximum size. That's why using the Insta DP Viewer can be beneficial for you. Third-party apps like Profile Picture Downloader and Zoom for Instagram allow you to view any user's profile photo, even without an Instagram account, and save it in high resolution. Several tools are available online to download Instagram profiles, including Instad, Izuum, InstaSave, Tolzu, Inflact, DownloadGram, and InstaDownloader.co.